How to get 20% off Temu working coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Temu. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 95% off, 30% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Or type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Temu. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get up to 20% off working coupon code for Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.